If someone is needing a dental implant, naturally they're missing a tooth and they're needing to replace a tooth. It could be a single tooth, it could be multiple teeth, and they're having trouble eating their food, or it's hurting, the food is pressing down on the gum. You can get a dental implant in that location, replace that tooth, and then you don't have the space or the gap in your teeth, and you can have more function when you're chewing. We can place that implant that day. Sometimes we're able to put a temporary crown on that implant the same day the implant's placed. Sometimes they just leave with a temporary, but whatever it is, they're leaving with a smile. They're not leaving with a space or a gap in their teeth. A dental implant is made of titanium. The human body loves titanium, loves healing around titanium. It's the same material used in joint replacements, knees and hips, very commonly used among medicine. And we can use the same material in the mouth for the dental implant. We have the technology in our practice to be able to diagnose the situation, assess what we need to do as far as any procedures or any bone building that the patient requires in their particular situation, and complete the treatment here in our office. That way the patient does not have to leave without having treatment completed and treatment done, and they are on the road to getting the gap filled in their teeth. If you're missing one or more teeth and you are curious to know if dental implants can help you, give our office a call. We'll be glad to get you in for a free consultation and show you what dental implants can do for your smile.